How to set Android phone lock screen time. So if you want to set Android phone lock screen time, then what you need to do is first open up your settings. Once you open your settings, go for the search which is on the upper right. By searching, it will be easy for you. Go for the search bar and search for screen timeout. And here you will have screen timeout, right? Tap on screen timeout and again tap on it. And here I have just 5 minutes. So from here you can set the screen timeout. You can choose 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes and 10 minutes. So if you choose 5 minutes, then after the 5 minutes of inactivity, then your phone will be shut down or will be closed or go to the sleep mode. So you can simply choose any time that you're comfortable with, and once you've chosen, you can go back and that time will be set. So that's how you can set the Android phone lock screen time. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.